Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, I'm here to show you, let me grab some lotion for my hands just in case. I'm here to show you the first 3 of the Memory Dex cards for my Memory Dex challenge that I have received. And I'm going to be showing only the front of the Memory Dex cards, because you know the other information is on the back. And I'm going to show you these in the order in which they were received, okay? So the first one is from Miss Velma Sharp Johnson, and here's hers. Isn't it adorable? It's truly adorable. This, I know this girl right here, she's from the LOL or OLLA, which in French means Oshishi collection. Isn't she just too cute? I love it. I love it. The camera isn't doing this any justice, but she is totally gorgeous. Next is going to be from Miss Treva Perry. And if I don't forget, I'm going to put links to everybody's channel too in the description box, okay? This one is from Miss Treva. Yes, isn't it adorable as well? And I actually think I have this die, but it is too cute. I would have never thought to do this. I really wouldn't. That's just me. My brain don't even work like this. But this is so cute to me and so unique. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Okay, and the third is from Miss Shirlene Wilcox. And Shirlene, if I mispronounce your name, I am so sorry. But, you know, oh, before I show you guys that one, the Hager Hay is on the back of the first 2 cards, okay? And this is Shirlene's. Look at there. Look at there. And that one of the gorgeous, what y'all call the gorgeous girls. Isn't she cute? The whole card is cute with the puffy heart and the resin flowers. It's too cute. But this one is from Miss Shirley Wilcox. Oh, listen at my baby. I'm sorry. He's back there in the background crying. His mama doing something to him. We're going there and slap her in just a second, because she knows she's not supposed to let him cry. But anyway, these are the first of the 3. I'm sorry. These are the first 3 Memory Dex cards that I have received for my Memory Dex challenge. And I want to show you guys what my participants are going to get from me. Hold on. Okay. And for everyone, oh, these ants keep coming from. For everyone that participates in my challenge, I actually made a little something for them. I just started feeling some kind of way, knowing that, you know, you guys were putting in the work. You know what I mean? And I know it's a challenge, and I know everybody, when you're doing a challenge, you don't expect nothing back if you don't win the challenge. But yeah, that just wasn't working for me. A giveaway I get, but challenges, not to say this will happen each and every time I do a challenge, but this time it did happen. So anyway, I put these together. Let me see if I can get it open here. And it's nothing serious. I just felt that it would be nice if everybody got something. So what I did was I made some cutouts. I have a die that I wanted to use, and I should have did it as a Try My Die Wednesday, and that would have killed 2 birds with 1 stone. And you see that little dot? That is the dot for the eye for Diva. This is Swap, and this is Queen. So they get those 3 cutouts. They get a little thank you card right here that says hugs. And I think I wrote in just a quick note to say thank you for participating in my first Memory Dex card challenge, Tasha, February 2020. And that's will be my little thank you card. And I made this Memory Dex die for them. And, and I put my information on the back-ish. Yeah, I did. I put my information on the back. So just as a thank you to each and everybody that participates, and that I receive your Memory Dex card by February 8th. I think that's what it is. I will be putting one of these kits or one of these little packages in the mail to you. Okay, guys, that is it. I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. If you haven't, I would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments are truly appreciated. Come back anytime and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye, love bugs.